If you use an iPhone, this will interest you. So this is how to fix can't turn off attention aware feature on your iPhone. What the attention aware feature does is it reduces the ringing volume of your iPhone once it feels a touch. So if you want to turn this off and you are unable to do this, then here's a quick fix. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix can't turn off attention aware features on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iPhone settings. Scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Under screen time, you want to go ahead and turn off screen distance. So click on that and make sure you turn off screen distance. Once you are done, go back to the main settings of your iPhone and then scroll down a bit, click on Face ID and passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode and then you want to scroll down to attention aware feature. If this is turned on, you should be able to turn this off right away and then you are good. So that's exactly how to fix can't turn off attention aware feature on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.